Hello everyone, I am Shivam from Gossipfunda YouTube channel and today we are going to fix the Clash of Clan login failed problem and also the Clash of Clan is not loading issue. So if you are having this issue then this video is for you. So watch this video till end and let's start the video without any delay. So for the solutions, first thing first you have to check for updates because most of the time this happens either when Clash of Clans application is not updated or it is updating. So make sure to check the updates of Clash of Clan application. Also check for the updates of Google Play services. Also check whether your connected Gmail is signed in into Google Play services or not because sometime after the updates we have to again sign in into Google Play services. After checking if everything is alright, then let's move to second method. So for this method you have to open settings, go to application, open Clash of Clan and simply clear cache and then clear all data of Clash of Clan and then again check for updates and now log in again and your issue will be resolved. If not, then make sure to check your internet connection because this is the last reason why it happens until and unless your account is hacked. So I hope this video will be useful to you. Make sure to like the video, also share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also visit to our website from given link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.